Hey guys, this is Consumer Compute here. Day of release of the OnePlus 13. Here's the phone. Okay, back from Best Buy. And I got this OnePlus 13. Retails for $899. They're doing the memory upgrade even on OnePlus's website, where if you purchase this now, they're going to give you an upgrade version of the RAM as well as storage. There are three different options. There's a white one, there's a midnight blue one, which looks pretty cool. Has like a leathery back, I guess. The one at Best Buy that I got today was the black ellipse. All right. On that note, in the OnePlus's web page, you are going to get a like $300 credit, either to buy a watch or to buy like headphones. Also, they do offer some cases on there. Purchasing the, I guess, midnight color magnetic case retails for about $60, maybe $50 if I can remember. I'll put it up somewhere over here once I'm done editing this video. On that note, though, this box kind of reminds me of the Nord N30 that I purchased almost like a year ago through T-Mobile. No, I didn't buy it through T-Mobile. I got it at Best Buy. I got a deal for that phone for like $150. It was pretty crazy. And it still retails for like $300. Anyway, flagship phone here. Let's get in here. Okay. Side of the box, we got the OnePlus 13. We got some strips. Red box here, QR code. Feel free, guys, to scan that QR code. Who knows, right? And then 13 right here. It says OnePlus and Hasselblad. All right. Gonna open up the lovely tabs here using my semi-ejector tool. And again, the box is red. We kind of know this from OnePlus. Always like the, what is it, the code red or whatever they're calling it. Decent little box here. I'll just throw that on the side. Another box that says never settled. Kind of thick. And we're going to open this up and find out what is inside of this box. All right. What we have here is, all right, this is almost reminding me of what Google used to do with their phones. We got a USB-A to USB-C. This is probably for, what, data transferring? Not too sure. I'm just going to put that on the side. And cardboard here. Looks like we have a semi-ejector tool. Yep. I'm going to throw that over on the side as well. And we have some manuals. That's about it in that part of that cardboard. All right. So you have your safety guide. Just going to throw this up in here. This looks like the English side. Probably tells us all about not throwing it in a dishwasher. Oh, wait a minute. I guess this one can be thrown in a dishwasher because it's IP68 rated. And if you're looking at videos today, all of those reviewers are throwing their phones in dishwashers. But I think the review units that they got, OnePlus was allowing them to do this. It was pretty cool. Actually went on a cruise to do this. That's absolutely crazy. And I'm pretty jealous. OnePlus, if you're watching this, please. I know I reached out to you once and you kind of said that I was a little too small of a channel. Come on, guys. Get me a review unit. I am going to do the best that I can to represent OnePlus for you. You guys got to understand that I am a consumer, just like everybody else who might be purchasing this phone. I'm not really like reviewing this phone. I'm someone who purchased this outright out of my money. Really wanting to at least show everybody like what you guys offer any of the phones that I purchase and stuff, just to let people know what's in there. All right, you got a cardboard insert. The phone's over here. You guys know that I'm throwing this away. Over to the side, and if I'm not mistaken, I think this is like a 100-watt charger. The phone pretty much charges very fast. It's a power supply. It's nice to see that OnePlus is still offering power supplies for their phones, and hopefully they don't give up on this. This is a very hefty brick, but I know this phone charges pretty fast. And also you have your signature OnePlus red charging cable. And if we're looking on both sides here, right, I believe it's USB-C and USB-A. And it has to be because the charger has a USB-A port. That's a USB-C charging port. So you have the charger in there. Again, pretty good. Thank you, OnePlus, for adding that in there, allowing us to, you know, some people may not actually have a charger for their phone, and I appreciate that. Also, a data sync cable, SIM ejector tool. Usually that's a normal thing. Hopefully they don't get rid of, Apple don't get rid of the SIM ejector tools in your phone. Come on. All right, I'm just going to neatly pack this back in here. I do like their kind of motto, never settle. It's pretty good. Again, though, you got to remember that with this phone here, right? This is definitely not a budget phone. It is a flagship phone. All right. It is competing against specific phones like the, Pixel 9 XL phone. Again, roughly about the same price. If this phone does go into carriers, you're probably going to get a free phone and stuff like that. But haven't seen any of like OnePlus phones in carriers right now. But again, if I was going to compare this phone, hopefully I'd probably compare it to this, which is the, Pixel 9 XL phone. Also, probably the other phone that I would compare this against would be the, S24 Ultra. On that note, we could definitely say the iPhone 16 and the 16 Pro series, but those are different apples. Anyway, let's pull off this little paper seal thing for the OnePlus phone here. We have this. Again, first thing that I'm really noticing is that the phone's really nice. It's got really textured glass on the phone itself, and it's like edged glass. I'm really loving it. All right, I'm gonna just peel this lovely sticker off. I'll probably throw it on the box. All right, and again, I got what they're calling the black ellipse. So it's kind of like a wood grain type of black. I kind of like this phone. I'm vibing it, and here's your 3-camera thing here. All right, so you also have USB-C port, microphone port here, the SD card slot. Let's take a look, and we'll see what we're offered in this, because again, this is the 512 gigabyte option. It looks like it's got a SIM slot 1 and a SIM slot 2, so I'm not too sure if this phone has eSIM. But again, we have that signature slider button right here. Your OnePlus logo. Looking side to side. Looks like, not exactly too sure what that is, but that actually looks like some type of light sensor. Another few microphones. Power button and your volume rocker up and down button. All right. On that note, guys, at least for this video, it's over. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, hit the thumbs up. And I appreciate you guys staying this long. Thank you again. And this is Consumer Compute, and I'll see you in my next video.